DSI UniLite Core is a dual-cured core material dispensed with an auto-mix dual syringe dispenser. It combines ultimate strength with dentin-like properties. UniLite is ideal for core build-up, post-cementation and as a dentin replacement material. In addition to its unique benefits, UniLite Core also shows excellent shear bond strength to dentin when paired with S7 universal bond, unsurpassed bonding strength to enamel and posts, low polymerization shrinkage, and high radiopacity. The two curing mechanisms, self-cure and light cure, add flexibility to the reconstruction procedures to suit various treatment cases. The UniLite Core Light cures in seconds, saving precious time and allowing to build up restoration foundations in single deep layers. The self-curing mechanism assures reliable results, even in areas deprived of curing light. Available as a 9-gram syringe or jumbo 25ml bulk cartridge, DSI UniLite Core is the material of choice for reliable, durable and aesthetically pleasing restorations and satisfied clients. DSI, the dental brand you can trust.